today is going to be another experiment. Some of you have asked me, is it better to use battery-operated milk frother or an electric milk frother? The problem with battery-operated one is that it's got a very low speed and low power. And so if you have to use a battery-operated one to make your milk foam, it might take a little bit longer. Whereas an electric milk frother, the speed is faster, and so you can make your milk foam faster. But how much faster? The price of a battery-operated one is of course cheaper. Electric milk frother is more expensive. Now you will also see that the battery-operated one will have double spring here, and this one is a single one. I would recommend that you use single tip because I find that this is better than using a double one, be it electric or battery operated. Of course, if you don't have electricity in your shop, you have no choice but to use a battery operated milk frother. So let's find out how each one of these two different milk frother performs. First, I am going to use cold milk as always, and I'm going to fill each one of them halfway full. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to put it in my ice bath. And then this one, I am going to also fill up, well, up to the bottom of the spout. Okay, I don't want to fill it up too much, or when I froth it, it will just go all over the place. Okay, now I'm going to start, or if I can do this together, I'm going to froth them at the same time. Okay, and let's see what happens. As you can see, the speed of the electric milk frother is faster, and you can see that the foam is already forming, whereas in the, there you go, that's already done, whereas the battery operated one is very shaky and is nowhere near where we want it to be. You want it to be up the top of your jug. Okay? And it is very, very shaky as well. So as you can see, this is already done within less than a minute, whereas this is still trying to get there, very, very shaky. Okay, well, I'm going to stop right here and see what we get. Okay. Okay, let me take this off the ice bath now. And the same here. Okay, just tap and swirl this to get rid of the big bubbles. Here my milk didn't double in size, it just stays like that. Let's have a look at the foam that it generated. Okay, so there's a lot of bubbles there. Not very smooth. Okay, we probably will be able to get there to make this better milk foam if you froth it a while longer. Whereas this one, as you can see, once you mix it together, it is very beautiful, silky milk foam. If you have a lot of macchiato and cappuccino drinks to serve in your shop, I wouldn't recommend that you use a battery-operated milk frother. That's all I would like to share with you today. I hope this experiment once again gives you an idea on what to do or what to invest in when making milk foam and deciding on which milk frother to use. Now this gadget is very, very useful for a lot of things. If you have any questions, do let me know. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button below. Don't forget to also check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Once again, thank you to all those that have already made their very good positive feedback on the books and how the books are helping them in their business, as well as for those at home. Take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.